You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be finding the value of y given this equation. Now, this might seem difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. I'm going to show you and I'll walk you through how you can do this easily. So let's start from what we have on the right hand side. Can you see this? This is 2 raised to the power of 8 raised to the power of 3. But let's grab this one first of all, 8 raised to the power of 3. What does that mean? 8 raised to the power of 3 is 8 times 8 times 8. I hope you know that. That you can write 8 raised to the power of 3 as 8 times 8 times 8. So let us rewrite 8 raised to the power of 3 as this. Now, I'm going to have y raised to the power y raised to the power y is equal to 2 raised to the power of what? 8 times 8 times 8. Now that we have written that, remember, this is y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y. So if we can make the base and the power the same here, we can just compare and then find the value of y. So that's the way we're going to approach solving this question. So I'm going to start first by making 8 appear as 2 times 4. So let's write it like that. So y raised to the power y raised to the power y is equal to 2 raised to the power of, remember this 8, I'll make it what? 2 times 4. And I can write it like this. Then times 8 times 8. From the exponent law, if you have a raised to the power of m bracket n, this can become a raised to the power what? Mn. So that's what I did here. When I made 8 to become 2 raised to the power of 4, we can actually just bring in the bracket, because when you multiply 2 by 4, you will get 8 back. I hope you understand what I just said. So moving on, I am now going to apply, what is 2 raised to the power of 2? What I have here, that will give you what? 4. So let's do that. Y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So we have 4 raised to the power of what? 4 times 8 times 8. So my goal now is to see how I can change this to 4 and this other 8 to 4, so that I will just have 4, 4, 4. Perhaps that would work like that. So let's write it like that. Y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. Then this 8, I will make it 2 times 4. And again, let's even make this 8 2 times 4 as well. 2 times 4. Okay. So that will be y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y is equal to what? I'm going to rearrange everything now. So 4 raised to the power of this 4 times this 4 times this other 4, and then times 2, then times this 2 here. Oh, I meant 2. Okay. Now that we have that, I'm going to multiply this 2. So 2 times 2, that will give you 4. So rewriting it, I'm going to have y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y is equal to what? 4 raised to the power of 4 times 4 times 4. Then 2 times 2 will give you what? 4. Okay. When I started, I told you that, look at this, that 8 raised to the power of 3 means what? 8 times 8 times 8. I'm sure you know this already. So coming here, look at this. Look, I have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And I'm going to rewrite it like this. So let me just write y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. See, this one, 4 times itself, 4 times, can be rewritten as 4 raised to the power of what? 4. Do you see that now? I'm sure you can see what we have on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Now, I'm sure you have been enjoying this video since I started. If you like this kind of videos and you want to follow for more, you can hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I upload video like this. And you can also share this video with your friends and family. Kindly do so. I really appreciate your support. So moving on, by comparison, as you can see, what we have on the, we have y raised to the power y raised to the power y, and here we have 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of what? 4. So you see, they're all the same. So by comparison, we can see that y is equal to what? 4 when you compare like that. So I'll say therefore y is equal to 4, and this is the value of y. If you want more structured lessons, You can check the link on my bio and get signed up on the Maths Mastery and Exam Prep program. We have different classes. We have for primary school, we have for junior secondary school, and we have for senior secondary school. So if you are preparing for a major exam or you want to up your math skill, make sure you sign up today. The link is in my bio. Go click it and register today. I'll see you in class. It's bye for now.